Hello class, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Bhavna Keshwani and I am your science teacher. So today we are going to start chapter first in your science book, that is human body. In human body we will study circulatory system. So students, what is circulatory system? Circulatory system, it is an organ system. Okay. Now what is organ system? Students, our whole body is made up of very small blocks. Okay, our whole body is made up of very small blocks which are called cells. For example, students, a building is made up of small bricks, small parts which are called bricks. In same way, our body is also made up of small blocks which are called cells. So cells together, same type of cells join together and they form tissues, right? Now tissues join together and they form organs. Different organs join together and they form organ systems, and different organ systems join together and they form an body of an organism, right? So students, I am giving you one example. For example, your school, right? This is your school. Like here, if we write school, so your school is made up of different buildings, right? 2 to 3 buildings. Now buildings are made up of floors. Floors are made up of walls, and walls are made up of bricks, right? Students, your school is made up of different 2 to 3 buildings. Buildings are made up of floors, or you can say classrooms. Classrooms are made up of walls, and walls are made up of bricks. In same way, our body, this is our body, organism. We are human body, we are an organism. Our body is made up of different organ systems. For example, circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system. Okay, so all these are organ systems by which our body is made up of. Now these organ systems are made up of different organs. For example, students, digestive system is made up of esophagus, stomach, intestine. In same way, circulatory system is made up of blood vessels, heart. Okay, so these are the organs. These organs are made up of tissues, and tissues are made up of cells. So cells are the unit of our body, means the smallest unit of our body by which our body is made up of, that is called cells. Now students, today we are going to study an organ system which is called circulatory system. So what is the function of circulatory system? What circulatory system do in our body? Students, circulatory system in this, blood is present and blood circulates in our body. With the help of this circulatory system, blood circulates in our body, and whatever food we eat or whatever oxygen we take from environment, all these oxygen, food travels in our body, in our whole body, from one part to other part with the help of blood. Okay, so the function of circulatory system is that it circulates the blood in our whole body, that connect different parts of body and to transport nutrients, oxygen, all these things in our body. Now students, our circulatory system is made up of, I told you that organ systems are made up of organs. In same way, circulatory system is also made up of organs, some parts. The first one is blood, the second is blood vessels, and the third one is heart, human heart. Okay, so circulatory system, it is an organ system by which an organism body is made up of. This circulatory system is made up of different parts or different organs: blood vessels, and heart. So firstly, today we will study about blood. Students, in our body almost 4 to 6 liter blood is present in our body. Now blood is made up of how many parts? Blood is made up of 2 parts. One is liquid part which is called plasma, and a solid part which is called cells. What is blood? Firstly, students, we will study what is blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Fluid means liquid and connective means it connects our different parts of our body. That's why connective. And tissue because it is made up of cells. It is a group of cells. You can see blood is made up of cells. So it is a group of cells, that's why it's called tissue. I told you that cells join together to form tissue. Okay, so here cells join together and they form a connective tissue which is called blood, but it is a fluid. Fluid means liquid connective tissue. Okay, now students, this blood is made up of two parts. The one is plasma and the other one is cells. Plasma is a liquid part of the blood. It is light creamish in color, light yellowish in color or creamish color, and cells are so solid part of our blood. So students, it is light yellowish in color. It is mainly, plasma is a liquid part, so it is mainly made up of water. 95% of water is present in this plasma, and in remaining amount the proteins, some proteins and other things are present, salts, other things are present. Now what is the function of plasma? Students, our nutrients, waste products, all nutrients, whatever nutrients we eat, they go in blood and mix with the plasma, and with the help of plasma they reach to our each and every cell. Waste products also from the waste product from the cells to the kidney reach by the help of plasma. So in plasma, nutrients, waste products, all these are present in plasma, and some in a small amount hormones, carbon dioxide, all these things are also present in plasma. It is a pale yellowish color, light yellowish color liquid. Now cells are of three types. The blood cells are of three types. It is a solid part of blood. The one is red blood cells, the second is white blood cells, and the third one is platelets. So students, now on next time we will start about the red blood cells. Thank you.